I just accidentally discovered some ways that you can customize your blogs and go high level way further. So here I'm clicking into my blog, and up here under Edit Blog Site, this is where you can actually edit what the sort of landing page of your blog is going to look like. So it has the same thing as like with the products where it shows a not real, I'm blanking on the word, um, when you're editing it, but then when you preview it here, you can see your actual content filling in. So this is an actual type of element block that is your blog. And then you can go to the category navigation here and set your own different categories. And then I discovered up here, you can also customize what the individual blog posts look like. So you go up here, you click that little arrow, and you switch it to blog post. And now, again, you have an element that is your blog post. You can't do much with that. You can do a little bit.
This episode is brought to you by Supercharge Your Website Traffic, infinite leads at your fingertips. Get it at Amazon today.
Of customizing what appears at the bottom, but you can customize the things that are around it. So I have added some of my own little ads that I created on the side there. And then this really neat element that is a social share where somebody can highlight parts of your, a sentence of your blog post. Here I was fiddling around with how to try to make the cover image like really, really full, and I couldn't really do much with it. So just fiddling around and not having much luck. But the social share thing, you highlight the sentence and it immediately pops up with, where would you like to share this sentence? So, my God, that's so cool. And I tried to like explain here, like how people could do it. I would really love to have it like hovering and going down the screen. And I feel like there used to be a way to do that. Maybe I'm thinking of Kartra, which I used to use, because I can't figure out a way to get it to scroll down the screen with it without doing custom CSS, which I might do at some point. But I usually, when I get to the point where, oh, probably I need to put custom code in here, I usually stop at that point and go, you know what, I'm just going to do it the way that it is set up. But I would love to have it, go along the sidebar so people had more of a sense of like, ooh, this is a cool sentence. I want to share it. Look at that. There's a way to share it, because I feel like it gets kind of lost at the top. But oh well, for now, it's just going to go on the top. But yes, this is how you can much more fully customize and put your branding into both the blog posts on your page and the main blog homepage. So if blogging is part of your strategy and you're on Go High Level, I hope that this is helpful to get a little more out of it. And I will see you for the next one.